Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, Qualcomm Nation. Welcome to Qualcomm Pulse. Are you ready to dive into what's making waves on Wall Street ahead of our company's earnings report? Well, let me tell you, investors are buzzing about Q3 guidance, and we're breaking it down for you. So, Qualcomm's fiscal third quarter results are set to hit the market soon, and with that comes a lot of expectations. Analysts are looking at the company's adjusted earnings per share and revenue, and let me tell you, they're seeing some big numbers. The consensus is calling for $2.60 to $2.80 in EPS and $9.9 billion to $10.7 billion in revenue. Now, that's a pretty wide range, but it shows just how much analysts are betting on Qualcomm's performance. But here's the thing, these numbers have edged higher since our last report. JP Morgan is raising its price target to $200 from $190, and they're calling it an overweight rating. That's right, folks, they think Qualcomm has got a lot of upside potential. On the other hand, UBS is a bit more cautious, with a neutral rating and a price target of $165. They're seeing some strong signs of tariff-related pull-ins for Android and Apple units in Q3, but they don't think that momentum will last. Meanwhile, CD's jumping into the mix with a neutral rating and a new price target of $170. They're saying that their prior assumptions about tariffs slowing down the sector were way off. Instead, they expect a sector upturn driven by solid demand and inventory replenishment. And get this, they're predicting some big upside in Microchip and Texas Instruments. Now, you might be wondering what's behind all these predictions. Well, it all comes down to one thing, the US-China trade talks. The US has frozen tech export curbs on China, which means that companies like Qualcomm will have a bit more room to breathe. And with President Trump saying he'll impose tariffs on pharmaceuticals and semiconductors soon, investors are getting excited about the potential for growth. But let's not forget what's really at stake here, Qualcomm's acquisition of Alphawave IP Group. This deal is worth $2.4 billion, and it's expected to close in early 2026, pending some regulatory approvals. It's a big move that could have major implications for the company's future. So there you have it, folks. That's what's making headlines ahead of Qualcomm's earnings report. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.